Hello, so this is Families and Immigration, a quick resource guide. There are thousands of immigrant children, youth, and families across the United States. In fact, it is estimated that 25% of children and youth in this country have immigrant parents or are immigrants themselves. Unfortunately, many of these families become involved in the child welfare system. Immigration laws can affect child welfare, case planning, and service delivery. Social workers are in the position to support immigrant children, youth, and families in accessing immigration assistance and service to ensure their safety, permanency, and well-being. Social workers in child welfare face a host of challenges in meeting the unique needs of these families. While social workers are not expected to be experts on immigration issues, they can familiarize themselves with immigration terminology, relief options, new policies, and available resources. So, quick guide. Some immigration relief options. Asylum provides specific protection to individuals who have reason to fear returning to their native country. Deferred Action for childhood arrivals provides individuals who come to the U.S. under the age of 16 protection from deportation and an opportunity to receive employment authorization for 2 years. At the end of the 2-year period, individuals may apply for renewal. Special immigrant juvenile status provides lawful permanent residency to immigrant children and youth who are under the jurisdiction of the juvenile court and who have not been able to reunify with their families as a result of abuse, neglect, or abandonment. Timing is crucial. The SIJS application must be processed while the child or youth is under the jurisdiction of the court. T visa provides immigration relief to human trafficking victims who can demonstrate they have suffered tremendous hardships. Victims must have cooperated with reasonable requests during the investigation or in the prosecution of accused. Temporary projected status provides temporary permission to individuals from certain countries that have experienced devastating natural disasters and civil conflicts to reside and work legally in the United States. A U visa provides temporary visas to victims of crime. Victims must possess information related to their criminal activity and must cooperate with the criminal investigation and prosecution of the accused. Violence Against Women's Act provides an abused victim an opportunity to seek permanent residency under the immigration provisions of the Violence Against Women Act. The victim is eligible if he or she experiences abuse at the hands of a U.S. citizen or permanent resident, parent or step-parent. So, considerations for social workers. Understand the range of immigration status. There is a range of immigration status with immigrant children, youth, and parents may hold. Immigrants may fall into one of the following categories: legal permanent resident, naturalized citizen, refugees, and undocumented persons. Each category or status can carry different legal rights and access to services. A large number of immigrant households are comprised of mixed status families, which can mean that some family members can access public funded service. Social workers can help eligible children, youth, and families tap into appropriate resources. Obtain a clear understanding of the family's migration experience, which each immigrant family has a unique situation in which they arrive in the United States. Social workers can ask critical questions to try to access each family's situation and develop an appropriate service plan. Social workers can identify the following to help them in developing a case plan to access the appropriate resources. Family members born in the United States, family members who are legal permanent residents, family members who are undocumented, and extended family members in the United States and in the children youth or family's native country. Assesses for immigration relief options. Some children, youth, and families involved in the child welfare system do not have a legal immigration status, making it difficult for them to work and access resources and services. Social workers may find themselves in unique positions. They may be the only individuals available to identify potential relief options or to connect them to an immigration specialist. Part of the assessment includes critical information gathering, such as full names of all family members. And then finally, partner with local U.S. citizenship and immigration service agency staff. Social workers cannot be expected to be experts on immigration issues. However, they can build professional working relationships with local immigration service providers to ensure that immigration applications are completed and processed accurately for eligible children, youth, and families. Agency staff can help welfare workers to understand the range of immigration relief options and available, as well as recent changes to the immigration policies. So that's it for this documentation. Thank you for listening.